Hello and welcome to Reflect with Ritika, and this is Thursday morning, and again we are here with our cards to see what is the guidance. So if you feel connected, stay along and listen to the universe's messages that just popped out on its own. So the first card that I got here is again the choices. You might be in a dilemma कि आपको ये करूं या वो करूं. I know how choices are because choices हमेशा आएंगी लाइफ में, but here द थिंग इज आपको मेंटल क्लैरिटी की जरूरत है विदाउट इन्वॉल्विंग योर इमोशंस एंड लिसनिंग टू योर इनर सेल्फ. This moon means you have to listen to your intuition, and these swords are talking about again your mental realm, and the water behind is all your emotions that can be sometimes up and sometimes down, and there you might see difficulties in your path. तो उन सबको again छोड़ दीजिए and just think about the what, कि आप क्या चाहते हैं, कैसे होगा उसको मत सोचिए, बिकॉज वंस योर व्हाट इज क्लियर कि आपको ये चाहिए या ये करना है, आप ठान लिया है तो बस ठान लिया है एंड यू वेट. देन व्हाट if you get that clarity, what is the next card saying? It's saying that opportunities will come your way. So this is a perfect card for this. Why? Because once you have the clarity of what, the how, the opportunities of solving the how will come on its own, and they will come from nowhere. Like आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि you will not see it coming. अचानक से आपको लगेगा कि अरे ये तो मेरे लिए ही थी opportunity, I have to grab it, and just grab it and see how you grow from there. And for this, अब आपको लगेगा कि आपको कुछ हाथ पैर मारने हैं या यहाँ जाना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. No, you have to do nothing. You have to just be yourself and focus on the what. Manifest the what and just have clarity of क्या चाहिए. आपने वो एक चॉकलेट का एड है ना, वो देखा है ना, that sometimes it's good to do nothing. उस चॉकलेट का नाम अगर आपको पता है, just let me know. And उसमें क्या होता है, the person is in the moment enjoying himself and doing nothing, but the circumstances and the opportunities come on their own. तो ये वही कार्ड है कि you have to just stay still and focus on your what, and the right opportunities will come on its own, and you will have to have the perspective to see those opportunities. बस इतना ही करना है आपको. So if you feel you are in alignment, do let me know and claim this, because the right opportunities are waiting for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Take care.